Well, I'm finally here on my bucket list blind date. It took a while to do, but we're here at the Suns. Here is the bucket list blind date pick or whatever, the bucket list guy that I picked.
Contestant number 2.
Contestant number 2, that's right. You were contestant number 2. So anyway, we were in the Sundowner Lounge at the Jack Suns game, and we thought, well, we'll like get something to eat or maybe a beer or something, and before the game, just relaxing. So, I think our waiter's coming. So. Hopefully, if we're gonna, God, the service here. What's up with the service?
It's pretty bad service. I gotta tell you.
People. I would think usually somebody's coming by now. Oh, thank goodness. Jeez.
I'm telling the waiter got here, man.
Hello,
wasting away to nothing.
What are you doing here, Robbie?
OMG.
Are you kidding me?
Well, I got 2 ex-wives. I just ain't making
Are you
enough
serious?
money. Yeah, don't push it.
Well, how much money are your kids asking for all the time?
I don't want to go there.
Are you serious?
God help me.
No
Listen.
wonder the service is so bad. Can you even get this right?
Just look at the menu. I'll be back in a few minutes, and I'll take your order. Tell me.
Are you serious?
Cut me, bro. I'm old and I'm mental. I'll be right back. Okay? You're not getting no deal either. You got to pay whatever it says on there.
Well,
I'll be right back. Okay? Decide what you want. By the way, I'm Robbie, son of Bobby.
Contestant number 2. Nice to meet you.
Contestant number 2. Nice to meet you. I'll be right back. I just decided what you want. Forget it. Forget you know me.
Okay.
Forget you know me.
Well, I don't, it's so weird. Okay, I'll just, whatever.